Hi, my name is Patricia Silva, and I teach the printmaking and Bookarts classes here at Reparata. I've been working here for over 20 years and feel really part of a family here. It's exactly as the title indicates, it's an intro class, no prerequisites required. If you do have printmaking experiences, we can adjust the projects to accommodate. If you want to explore variations of techniques, then that's perfectly fine. So the Bookarts class is generally an intro class, so you don't need any experience. We start from zero. The first thing we do is I teach you how to fold a piece of paper, literally. And then the course is sort of divided into two parts. Half of it is you're kind of learning techniques. You're learning how to make different book structures, different types of books. Usually by the end of the semester, you will have learned anywhere from 12 to 20 different types of books and how to make them. So you'll make models, you'll make blank books, blank versions of those. And the other half of the class is artist books. So in those, you're going to be creating individual artist books as well as group artist books. And those are books that have actual content. I've taught at many schools over the years, and I must say, I think the thing that attracts me most about SRISA is just this sort of, there's a real familial kind of collaborative spirit in the school. I think the students really begin to get to know both the staff and the faculty. It's a big enough program that you get a variety of meeting a lot of people, but it's a small enough program that you feel the intimacy of just really getting to know people one-on-one. What's not to like? I mean, I get to be creative all day. I mean, I get to come up with projects. I get to work with students. Students are wonderful. I learn so much from them. I hope they learn from me also. But I think it's just the creative aspect of it. You know, you're creating something new every day, creating new projects, getting ideas, trying to develop them. We have a great studio, which I can use also for my own work, which is wonderful. So it's a great place to work and to study. Recently, a place that we've been going with my Bookarts students in particular is to the National Library here in Florence that has an amazing collection of artist books, which most people aren't familiar with. And the person I work with there is wonderful, brings them out. The students actually get to handle books by Matisse and Duchamp and actually touch them. So to me, that's awesome. I'm a book nerd, so.